Two-stroke enthusiasts, your prayers have been answered. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here, and Yamaha continues to prove why this legendary machine refuses to fade away. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we deliver the insights you need on the latest releases. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the YZ125 and whether it deserves a spot in your garage. Design. Yamaha has kept the YZ125 looking sharp and purposeful. The updated graphics package is aggressive and modern, with bold color schemes that scream performance. The frame design maintains that classic YZ stance while incorporating subtle refinements for improved ergonomics. The bodywork is slim and allows for excellent rider movement, which is crucial when you're attacking tough terrain. Every angle of this bike looks ready to rip, and that iconic blue never goes out of style. Performance. This is where the YZ125 truly shines. That legendary two-stroke engine remains as thrilling as ever, delivering explosive power with that unmistakable bark. The power band is snappy and responsive, rewarding skilled throttle control. Yamaha has refined the suspension setup, offering plush performance over rough sections while maintaining stability through jumps and berms. The chassis is nimble and flickable, making quick direction changes feel effortless. Whether you're a seasoned racer or developing your skills, this bike responds beautifully. Features and technology. While the YZ125 keeps things purposefully simple, Yamaha hasn't ignored the details. The clutch action is smooth and reliable, and the braking system provides excellent stopping power and feel. The air filtration system is accessible for easy maintenance, which any rider will appreciate. Yamaha's build quality is evident throughout, from the durable components to the attention paid to weight distribution. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves that two-strokes still have plenty to offer. It's pure, engaging, and an absolute blast to ride. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Let us know in the comments. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and share it with your riding crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the machines you care about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the track.